During the college application process, you will need to request different types of transcripts depending on your schools of interest. For example, a school may sometimes want 1. An initial transcript, 2. A mid-year transcript, or 3. A final transcript. An initial transcript will include your school performance from the 9th through 11th grades. A mid-year transcript will include grades 9 through 11, but also your performance during the first semester of 12th grade. A final transcript is provided after graduation and includes 9th through 12th grades. There are 3 ways to request transcripts from Navient Student. The first way is to do it right from the Colleges I'm Applying To list. The second way is when moving a college from the Colleges I'm Thinking About to the Colleges I'm Applying To list. And the third way is to use the Manage Transcripts feature. The Manage Transcripts feature also provides a way to request a transcript for a reason other than a college application request. So, if you need a transcript request for a scholarship, for example, you would use Manage Transcripts. Click on any one of these options to see how it's done. You can get to the Colleges I'm Applying To list by going to the Colleges menu and selecting it from the drop-down. This is a list of colleges you have identified as schools you are interested in applying to. From this list, you can review and manage the status of those applications, request transcripts, view application milestones, and compare your performance to the average for these schools. In this video, we will only be focusing on using this list to request transcripts. To begin, use the checkboxes to select the schools to which you would like to make the transcript request. Click Request Transcripts. Ensure that all those schools are requesting the same type of transcript, for example, mid-year. From this window, select a type of transcript and whether or not you want to include other unofficial test-related materials. Where you are sending your transcript should include the schools you checked off from the Colleges I'm Applying To list. Click Request and Finish. The list is now updated. The Transcripts column updates to show whether or not there has been a request. Use the pink Add button to add a school to the list. Search for and select the college from the Which College Are You Applying To drop-down. Then, choose an application type and identify how you plan to submit the application. Click Add and Request Transcript. From the next screen, select a type of transcript, any unofficial test data, and then double-check you have the right college selected. When ready, click Request and Finish. The school is added to your Colleges I'm Applying To list, and the transcripts are requested as well. After you've completed your research of the schools on your Colleges I'm Thinking About list, you may be ready to move some of those schools over to Colleges I'm Applying To. As you move them, you can request the transcript at that time. Go to Colleges I'm Thinking About from the Colleges menu. Use the checkbox to select the school you would like to move. Click Move to Application List. There are 2 steps to complete as you move the school. Step 1 includes identifying the type of application deadline and the way in which you will submit your application. If you do want to request a transcript, click Add and Request Transcripts. In Step 2, select the type of transcript and whether or not you want to include other unofficial test-related materials. Where you are sending your transcript should include the schools you checked off from the Colleges I'm Thinking About list. Once everything looks good, click Request and Finish. The school or schools are moved to your Colleges I'm Applying To list, and the transcript requests are submitted and marked as requested on the list. The Manage Transcripts feature shows all schools to which you have made a transcript request. The list provides information on and the status of the transcript requests. To add a new request, either for a college or some other need such as a scholarship, use the pink Add button. From here, you can pick either College Application Transcript or Other Transcript. Use Other for something like a scholarship-related request. If you pick College Application Transcript, select a type of transcript and whether or not you want to include other unofficial test-related materials. Click the drop-down to search for and include schools of interest. You can use the checkboxes to select schools from your Colleges I'm Applying To list or use the search field. When you're all set, click Request and Finish. If you want to request a transcript for something else, like a scholarship, click the pink Add button and select Other Transcript. Identify the type of transcript, the purpose, additional materials to include, a due date, and add the address of the recipient of the transcripts. Click Request and Finish.